What's happening, YouTube? Bickford's RS3 here, and today we'll be doing a DIY on the S5. I'll be taking this off. This is the one that we took off, me and the wife. It was the wrong one. I believe it was for an A5 or an A4. I got the right one. I'll link it in the description. It's from Amazon. It was 55 bucks. I say it a couple times in the video. But here we go. Let's get to it. So with the wheel off, it's a lot easier. I did it last time from underneath, so it is doable from underneath. But yours is gonna look slightly different. This is gonna have a plastic grommet on there, and this bolt is gonna look a little bit rustier. I replaced it because the threads didn't line up. So I believe it's like a 14 mil thread or something like that. That thread's on there. And yeah, so it's just that bolt, and there's a sensor on the other side, and away you go. All right, so the wife has got the sensor off, and the difference was right here on this side. There was a little tab, and I ground it off with a Dremel. I don't know if you can see the part number. Anyways, that's the wrong part number. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's the part number on the new one. And as you can see, it doesn't have the little doodad there. And it should just clip right in. I tried to make that one work. The sensor wouldn't go, the flashing light wouldn't go away. So we'll try this one, and I'll let you guys know. So we fired up the S5, got the new sensor in. Check that out. Amazon, 55 bucks. Plus the wrong one I bought, that's another 55 bucks. But if you buy one, it's 55 bucks. All right, I got a little excited, so. But pointers, when you're putting this on, if you how do I get this? Oh, shit. You helping? We have a horse. Her name is Oakley. Look at the horse. Look at the horse. It's a big horse. Her name's Oakley. So pointers, if I can get the camera on there, if you just kind of thread this bolt in while the little prongs are kind of on the block there, just feed it in and start tightening it, and it'll fit on there. You don't have to bend stuff or anything like that. It just kind of folds itself on there. And then yeah, the clip is kind of pull to the back of the car on the clip. It's facing that way, so you got to pull this way. And that's all I got for you. The sensor goes, the light on the dash goes away like right away. You don't have to clear anything, but it helps to go in and clear shit. Anyways, Bickford's RS3, Jesse's S5. Have a good one.
Yeah.
That means like and subscribe. Oh, you weren't filming?